How to create a page. This is an example of a page in a Canvas course. I have image right here. I have text. I have links. I have links to other pages. I've changed the font color. I have horizontal lines. You shouldn't have more than 3 colors on a page, so don't get too crazy with that. To create a page, you click Pages on the left-hand side of Links. You will stay on the page that you're at, but then you go up and click the button that says View All Pages, and all the pages that you've created within your course will show up. If you want to create a new page, you click the plus page on the right-hand side, and a blank page will come up. You name your page whatever makes sense, especially to your student, but also for you if it's easy for you to find. So if it's a chapter, if it's a unit, make it as simple as possible, label it as simple as possible. If it's elementary school, do it adding whole numbers, a date perhaps, whatever would make sense to your students. And then you build your page just like you would a document using all the tools that Canvas gives you. Inserting links and images, media, documents that you might have uploaded or already have uploaded, formatting just like in a word processor, different tools you can use, and putting a table in. And this is where if you want to really align a lot of things on your page, you would use a table. So you would put different things in each side of the table. You could add to the table if you wanted to down here. Like if you wanted to put the image here, and you could put text here, and then it would align side by side, but that's a little bit advanced. So that is how you make a page. You can also use the tools on the toolbar the same as you would a word processor, changing font colors and highlighting and different things like this. Linking, external links would be links you might find on the World Wide Web, and you paste it in there, or course links. And this I definitely want to show you because a course link is anything that you have made within your course. So you could link different pages. You could link assignments you've created. You could link quizzes you've created, and on and on and on for that. So that is a great way to build a page that way. You can also link documents that you might have uploaded, study guides, tutorials, things that you might want the students to download possibly, or just look at. And that is how you build the page. We'll go over some of these elements down here later on, but always remember to save your page. Saving does not mean that you have published it. To publish it and make it available to your students, you would hit save and publish. But if you just want to save the work you've put into the page that you're starting to create, make sure you hit save.